welcome to today where we're going to actually now make the protein balls. So come into my kitchen. Okay, I have everything sitting on the counter prepared for us to get started with this. But first things first, we're going to wash our hands. Now that I washed my hands, we're ready to go. So what I did to make it a little quicker is I went ahead and pre-measured everything and put it out. If you look at the recipe from yesterday, I'll go over it again. You'll see that each measurement, a fourth a cup of honey, we need 3/4 cup of peanut butter, we need a third cup of chocolate chips, our vanilla, our coconut flakes, which is a half cup. I'm going to pour out a cup of oats, and then we have our collagen, and then I'm going to go over and we're going to put some protein powder in there as well, and a pinch of salt. We're going to mix the wet ingredients first, and then we're going to mix the dry ingredients, and then we're going to blend them together. So let's get started with the wet ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to mix the wet ingredients. This is 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you scrape it off all the sides. Okay, we already have our honey mixed. This is 1/4 cup of honey. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that all up there. All right, we're going to just leave that set right now, and then next we're going to do our dry ingredients. Okay, now we're going to mix the dry ingredients, and I'm going to start with oats. This is a nice way to keep your oats. I just like to pour it in here and label it so nowadays, and I can keep it in a sealed jar. And so we're going to get 1 cup. Place that in there. Then we're going to put collagen. I like to use First Form collagen, but they just came out with it, so I'm very excited about that. But right now I'm going to use the multi-collagen protein from Dr. Axe. This helps with hair, skin, nails, cartilage. It's always an extra protein boost to put into your coffee, into your protein shakes. There's no fat or carbs in it. It's only protein, 9 grams of protein per scoop. So that's going to give us a little more protein in the protein balls. That'll help with that. Next, I'm going to put protein in. So there's tons of different flavors. You can use whatever you have at home. Level 1 is the protein that I'm going to be using for this recipe right now. This is caramel latte. I think I might use that, or I have vanilla ice cream. So I think for this recipe we're going to go ahead and do the caramel latte. I'm going to put 1.5 scoops of there. Obviously I use this a lot. This is what I use in my coffee every morning. So we're going to do 1 scoop, and I'm going to do another 1/2 scoop right there. Next, we're going to put in our 1/2 cup of coconuts that we picked up yesterday, and then we're going to put in our little 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, and then just a tiny bit, pinch of salt. A little bunch in there. I'm just going to mix this up here. All right, now we're ready to mix it together and make our balls. Okay, now we're going to fold the wet ingredients into our mixture here, our dry mixture. So I'm just going to pour a little bit. I think we're just going to scoop it all in, and then I will fold it in once it's in place. Okay, so you just want to continue to fold this in. It's kind of hard with the peanut butter, you guys, so it's going to take a little time, but as you can see, you just keep going around the sides and try to scoop it up and over. Okay, so if it gets to this point, you can see it's still a little flaky. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water to that, and that'll help get it moist again. When we have it all mixed, we're going to put them into little balls, and I'm going to place them on some parchment paper. I have it in like a little cookie tin right here, cookie sheet, however you want to do it. So I just like to make them consistent. I just scoop it up in like a 1 tablespoon, put it in your hand, roll it around, form a little ball. A good suggestion too is to let the batter sit for like 10 minutes before you make the balls. Just roll it and kind of just palm it in your hand a little bit. And then this way you can see they're all